A typical air conditioner furnace check. Visual inspection. I turn it on from downstairs and I see my damper motors, actually not motors, they're just dampers, and this one is all the way open, that one is all the way open as well. And okay, it's R22 system. So there's no mouse, looks like it, on this attic, so we will check for any wire damage and stuff. That must be the filter. Actually no, that's just the base that's connected into the unit. They look like those thick filters. While the system is on, check for your flame to make sure it's burning clean, just like that, and check for any wires, or listen to your motor, see how the inducer motor sounds. And my pressure switch is closed, that's why it's on. And gas valve, no physical damage, anything. Now that's my code, and right here it says red, green, simultaneous slow flash, simultaneous slow flash. That means if they're both red and green flashing like that, that means power on, normal operation. Also signal during cooling and continuous fan. Just like that, if it's not turning on any other error messages will show in that. Before you open this panel, you must see your errors, so it can directly connect you to the part that's not working. Look, now here it is. I opened the panel, physical check the control board, all the wiring, and then check your capacitor, see how is your motor, and that's it. I'm gonna check my gas valve with manometer too.